Hey guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss some basic fashion tips that you should follow if you are a petite girl like me. I am 5'1" and you feel all my petite girls out there, and all the tips that I'm going to mention here in this video are completely basic and practical at the same time, and there's no point of being demoralized because of that. It is extremely normal, extremely fine, and you should not be shy about it, and also it should not take away your confidence in general. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Now, being a petite girl, I completely avoid wearing low-waist trousers, pants or jeans because it makes our lower body appear even more smaller. So a mid-rise trouser or a low-rise trouser is a big no for me. And I suggest if you are a petite girl, then you should completely avoid low-waist lowers, as it shortens up the frame, whereas a high-waist jeans accentuates your waist area, and that sort of creates an illusion of longer legs as it adds up to your height. Another pro tip that I'm going to give here is to choose bags and accessories as per your body frame, as per your body size. Your bag or your purse must not be that oversized, क्योंकि आप जब oversized bag लेते हो ना तो आपकी body थोड़ी सी tilted दिखती है, and it seems like a mismatch to your body size, and also it completely hides your beautiful body frame, beautiful curves of your body, and shifts the attention. So you can choose a cute stylish bag complementing your outfit, and also that accentuates your body frame and looks absolutely stylish. Okay, so another real good and practical tip is to avoid loose on loose outfits, oversized paired up with another oversized. And let me tell you, I am a huge fan of oversized outfits, oversized shirts, oversized sweaters, hoodies. Oh my god, just can't live without them. But being a petite girl, I completely avoid pairing an oversized with another oversized, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा baggy लगता है, and being a petite person, I can say that it completely hides the outline of your body frame and make it look absolutely small. Other than that, you can pair an oversized sweater with a body fit shorts or jeans, or you can pair a loose trouser with a body fit top. That is a steel combo. Trust me, outfit can create a bigger impact, and sometimes it can create an illusion of height, illusion of longer legs. And there are some basic things that you should keep in your minds being a petite person. Just try to wear striped trousers. Yes, striped trousers, striped outfits create an illusion of height, longer leg, longer body frame, and looks absolutely stunning. Other than that, just avoid wearing knee-length boots. Try to wear ankle boots, and I have never really tried a knee-length boot in my life as of now. But even if you have a knee-length boot, just try to mix and match in a way that there should be an apt amount of skin show. Now, these were some of the fashion related tips, but I really wanted to give a life tip which I've learned out of experience. When I was 14 or 15, around that, basically at the peak of my growing age, I was relatively petite than most of my classmates, my siblings, and I really felt bad about that at that time, and I used to admit that in front of everyone that I feel bad about it. And sometimes I used to take suggestions from people as of what I should do to grow, what I should do to look fit and tall. But later on, I found that the very people started mocking at me because of my height. Some of my family relatives too, and they were like, "हाँ ये तो second या third की बच्ची लगती है." तब तक भी वो ठीक था. But then, like in every Indian family, they started mocking कि हाँ इसकी तो शादी भी नहीं होगी, बहुत परेशानी होगा, बहुत rejections का सामना करना पड़ेगा. Kind of that, and that is how it was going on. But gradually, when I reached a certain level of maturity in my life, I found that it was me responsible for it. It was me as a 14-year taking suggestions here and there and giving them space for mockery. And अगर आप किसी के पास खुद का complaint लेके जाते हो ना, तो there are only 1 or 2% people who will suggest you for your self improvement. Rest will take it as an opportunity to mock at you at times, and also never ever feel bad about your body. Never ever make someone else feel bad about their bodies, and please never mock on anyone because of their body type, क्योंकि ये completely natural है. We can't change now. We all are sculpted by God. We are created by God. So there is no point of feeling bad about it. All we can do is to be confident, to be fit in whatever way possible. And then I accepted myself, stopped complaining, and eventually they stopped mocking as well. And right now I can say that I'm absolutely confident. I feel so good, so satisfied in my life. And yes, I can say that I can achieve everything, irrespective of the height factor. And also I'll get married to whomsoever I want, and I'll vlog that too to break down their misconceptions. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. You can take this video as a fashion advice, or you can take this as a life advice as well. I'm just trying to make things better in this world. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down what you felt about the video and more video suggestions. Follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Alisha180_. Please subscribe to this channel. I tell you guys. Bye bye.